Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Well, we're back with another Truckerized tuner report on a Stryker 447 HPC2. This time for Alan in California. Alan got it ready to go for you. It is not emissions legal. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. We've got the MOSFET upgrades, tuning alignment, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, voltage regulator upgrades, etc., etc. Got a 100 watt slug. It's set about 3 watts all the way down, which is plenty low if you're going to run into a 4 or 6. About, what are we looking at? About 13, 14 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. So we'll call it about 72 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 audio. What was that, about 140? Hello, 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 hello. 140, 145 PEP. 1.0 on the dummy load SWR. Check, check. All right, Alan, we're going to get it out to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get Truckerized today.